Hello students, today we are going to discuss regarding benzene. We know benzene is the first member of aromatic compounds, benzenoid compounds, and general formula is C6H6, that is 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. And if you discuss the structure of benzene, the structure of benzene by Dewar he derived the structure of benzene is like this. As per the Dewar structure is, this is the structure of Dewar, and class structure is somewhat different, like this. This structure, this is the class structures, and a Kekulé derive. This is the Kekulé structure of benzene. That is, now we are using these structures, and this structure also equivalent to these structures. That means it has 3 pi bonds. These 3 pi bonds, this is the Kekulé structure of benzene, and it is presently we are using these structures. It satisfies the properties of benzene. That's why it is considered as the true structure of benzene. So, and if you see the molecular orbital structure, the molecular orbital structure of benzene, it has, if you see, generally structure will be like this. You see, draw the big structure. This is your this is both carbon hybridized by sp2 hybridization and planar shape and sp2 hybridization. Here this is your sp2 hybridization, this is one, and this is 1, 2, then another by hydrogen, CH6 with hydrogen both. So this is with okay, then one with hydrogen, this is with hydrogen, okay. Then these remaining orbitals involved in the formation of pi bonds. So this is pi bond. So it was somewhat complicated, but sp2 hybridization means 3 heavily orbitals. One will be involved in the formation of sigma bond with adjacent carbon atoms, and third one involved in the formation of sigma bond with hydrogen 1s1, forming what? Pi bonds. Sigma bonds. So in benzene, if you draw here 1 sigma 1 pi, and here between 2 carbon atoms, 1 sigma 1 pi, remaining that as it has CH, if you draw these structures, that CH these structures, and one having pi bonds. So 1 sigma, 1 pi. Here 1 sigma, 1 pi, 1 sigma, 1 pi remaining. So if you consider one carbon atom, it has 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals, sp2 hybridization, producing 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. In sp2 hybrid orbital, 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals of each carbon involved in the formation of sigma bond with adjacent carbon. This is sigma, and the remaining one sp2 hybrid orbital with hydrogen atoms. Then on hybridized pz hybrid orbital involved in the formation of pi bond by sidewise overlapping. So this is regarding the structure of benzenes. So this is actual structure is Kekulé structure. Now we are following the Kekulé structure, the true structure which satisfy all properties of benzenes. So next we will discuss the preparation of benzenes. That preparation of benzene. Preparation of benzenes. Benzene can be prepared by different methods. First method is from phenol. From phenol also benzene can be prepared. This is your phenol. When phenol is heated with zinc powder, produce benzene and zinc oxide. This is also one method of preparation of benzene. And second method also, it can be prepared from BDC. BDC is benzene diazonium chloride, N triple bond N, Cl minus, N plus. This is called BDC. And from BDC also we can prepare, that is H3PO2, on heating produce benzene. This is benzene and nitrogen. So this is also one important method of preparation of from BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. From benzene diazonium chloride also we can prepare benzenes. Then third preparation is from hexane, C6 and H14. When heated with the aluminium oxide or vanadium pentoxide or chromium oxide, like this on heated, then it is converted to benzene. This is also one important method preparation, that straight chain convert to cyclic chain, but here with loss of hydrogens. That is one important method of preparation of benzene. Then fourth one also you can prepare from chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene on reductions with nickel metals, or that is any other reducing agents, and produce benzene. That is also important method of preparation. Then HCl. That chlorobenzene can be reduced to benzene. Okay. Another method of preparation from acetylenes. We know 3 moles of acetylene when heated in presence of iron tube on the red hot, then it is polymerized to benzene. This is also one important addition reaction forming benzene. So benzene can be prepared by addition reaction of acetylenes, reduction of chlorobenzenes, and hexane. This one also convert to, in presence of aluminium oxides, in presence of Al2O3, chromium oxide, on heating also hexane convert to benzenes. And BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, when reacts with that is hypophosphorus acid H3PO2 convert to benzenes, and phenol when heated convert to benzene. So these are the important methods of preparation of benzene. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about the properties of physical and chemical properties of benzene. Okay. Thank you.